Prompt Engineering Training Session 71. Additional resources. Interactive tutorials. Agents.blue, a free, guided tutorial on prompt engineering. Resources. Article on leaking notions prompts. A great article on applications. A fantastic PE intro video. A very nice, short prompt engineering guide. A great prompt engineering intro. A nice collection of prompt engineering papers. Many more prompt engineering papers. CMU class on prompt engineering. How Copilot works. A beginner's guide to prompt writing by Zapier. Awesome AZ prompt engineering resources list. 500 ChatGPT prompt templates. Prompt base. Prompt vibes. Prompt hero. Midjourney community showcase with prompts. Data science prompts. All styles and references for Midjourney. Advanced prompt engineering. Ordinary people prompts. GPT-3 prompt examples/ideas. https://sharegpt.com. https://www.learngpt.com. https://chatgpt.getlaunchlist.com. https://prompts.chat. Facts. GPT-3 is not deterministic. https://twitter.com/boris_empower/status/1608522707372740609. People to follow. I source significant content from these people. At Chilzaza_prompt engineering, tools, toolbot. At Mathemagic1 and various prompting, PE, GPT-3 info. At Goodside prompt injection, PE tooling. At Watcha17 core dev of LangChain. At Omarsar0 Dare AI lead. Also check accounts that I follow, https://twitter.com/learnprompting/following. Even more. Check open issues and PRs, smiley face.